Hello and welcome back to the Understanding Mangrove series. I'm Zetty and I'm here to talk to you about FR176. So this product here is part of our EcoMix Super Concentrates range and it's accredited to Clena. To use this product, it's suitable for use on any hard floors such as sealed wood, vinyl, tiles, lino, sports hall floors as well as polished floors. It's easy to use and it rinses off quickly without leaving that slippery residue or a sticky surface behind. To use this product, you can use it as a mopping solution, you can use it as a spray and wipe, or you can use it through a scrubber dryer and work it into the surface, then rinse and wipe clean. It will leave behind a floral fragrance. So now let's move on and we'll show you how to dose this product.
To use an EcoMix Super Concentrate, remove the cap carefully in a push and twist motion. Squeeze the container gently to allow the chemical to rise up through the tube and fill the reservoir. Release the bottle and allow the liquid in the chamber to settle. This is now an accurate 10ml dose of Super Concentrate. To use this in a trigger spray, fill the trigger spray with water first, then add one 10ml dose of your chosen EcoMix Super Concentrate. Replace your trigger head securely, then rotate the bottle twice to ensure that the solution is mixed. To create 5 litres of solution, fill a bucket with 5 litres of water first. Then take your EcoMix and add 2 10ml doses of your chosen EcoMix Super Concentrate to the bucket.
Scan the QR code on this product or head to www.clenasupplies.co.uk for more information. There is also access on the website to specification sheets, safety data specifications, bug kill rates and chemical safety assessments where it applies to products. If you have any other questions, please reach out to the team. Thank you.